my friends, today I'm going to be repotting my peperonia. It's a watermelon peperomia, and you can see how big and huge this leaf is. Look at my palm alone, it's so huge. It's just gorgeous. I got it from the Humber Nurseries. Alright, so I'm going to be repotting it, and I will be taking it out of this pot. It's a nice size pot, so it's kind of light, so it needs to be repotted. And it is root bound as well. So I'm going to give it a new pot, a new home. Take away any dried stuff. And look at that. Isn't that lovely? Look at this. I think that's a new growth, if I'm not mistaken. How lovely is that? How gorgeous that can be. So lovely. Now I'm going to repot it. And there's baby shoots also coming out here, as you can see right there. Okay, so now I'm going to put some soil. I'm going to put some soil in the pot. This pot is mixed with peat moss and perlite and all the good stuff. Alright, so that would be perfect. There we go, as you can see there. This is the perfect pot for it. Now to fill in the sides. Okay, so I'm done. I potted this up nicely and beautifully, and it's going back in front of a bright window, no sun. And so far so good, it's doing fine. There is just a little bit of damage on the leaf. Well, I bought it like that because the other ones were worse, like this one for example. But anyways, it's doing fine. I'll be doing some cuttings, but not yet. I'll let it settle in because it's here probably 1 month. I'll let it settle in first. Maybe a few months later I'll just propagate it and see how it goes, and we'll do it together. Well, this is another short video, my friends, and thank you for watching. Subscribe if you're new, follow me in the social media, and hope to see you in the next video. Happy planting! Bye!